In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Ubisoft account to Xbox. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Ubisoft on your browser and sign in to your account. So go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen to be able to sign in to your Ubisoft account. Now in here, you'll need to just go ahead and proceed on clicking continue to continue signing in to your Ubisoft account. Now once you have signed into your account, click on the top right corner of your screen again and click on account management under this. And this will take you to the account management settings. Now on the account management settings, just go ahead and click on the account information, and this will take you to the account information settings. Scroll down and you'll be able to find the link account section. So just go ahead and click on the link button under the Xbox option. So just go ahead and click on the link to be able to link your Xbox account with your Ubisoft account. So just go ahead and click on the continue button. So this account you're about to link will become the reference Xbox account for your Ubisoft experience. So in here, just go ahead and authorize the connection between your Ubisoft account and your Xbox account by clicking on the accept button. This means that you're letting your Ubisoft account access your information from your Xbox account. Now in here, just go ahead and select the Xbox account that you want to link and click on the continue button if this is the Xbox account that you want to link. Now after this, your Ubisoft account will be linked with your Xbox account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.